Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix your problem that you have on your Instagram. We will go to figure out the solution. We will click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window and this is window and we will go down. Just we will click here on apps and we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Instagram app here and this is window and we will click here on Instagram app. Then we come to next window here, like you say, up info window, and we will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Instagram settings.